With over 427 mammal species, 1,300 bird species, 378 reptile species, and over 400 species of amphibians, the Amazon rainforest is one of the most diverse places in the world, and each day, it gets more diverse as new animals are being discovered, and they're simply shocking. Let's take a look on that in this video, but before that, take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons. The Amazon rainforest has assortments of animals, and has been fascinated by numerous researchers. However, various discoveries have been made with the help of new technology to monitor the ecosystem in the rainforest. Yet more to reveal, as it provides all-embracing 20% oxygen. According to the world's most expert on the Amazon rainforest, Dr. Daniel Nebstad, only a very nanoscopic part of the Amazon has been stumbled upon, because it is very colossal and many areas are remote. Amazon rainforest is a home of an incredible range of animals, and some of them are here. Tarantula spiders. These are the largest spiders in the world of Amazon rainforest, and their age is around 30 years. They live in distinct parts of the world in the burrows or on the treetop nests. Tarantula spiders' bite is not venomous, but can be related to bee sting. These spiders have black and brown barbed hair on their bodies, which are very irritating. They're often identified on the sides of the trees. Pink river dolphin. Pink river dolphin is also known as Bodo, which lives in the world's greater freshwater system and can be found in the rivers of South America. These toothed whale dolphins have a lot of threats of catching or hunting. However, several countries are taking specific actions to protect them. The Amazon river dolphin is the 6th largest species of river dolphin. It weighs 185 kilograms and the length is 2.5 meters. The dorsal fins of the dolphins are short in height, and the pectoral fins are large, along with long, slender snouts, plump bodies, chubby cheeks with sensory whiskers, and round foreheads. Their diet is up to 53 species of fish. They also devour other animals, such as river turtles, aquatic frogs, and freshwater crabs. Its striking pink color and flexible neck, which allows it to move its head 180 degrees, make it a most unusual and unique dolphin species. Amazon river dolphins look very different from marine dolphins. Amazon river dolphins born in gray color, but they turn pink as they get mature. They are natural gymnasts, often twirling, swimming backwards and upside down. They always remain active day and night, and they appear playful to human observers. Amazonian manatee. The Amazonian manatee is a species of manatee that lives in the Amazon basin in Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and Ecuador. It is the smallest species of the manatee family, and generally it has a gray color. It has a smooth rubbery skin and embryonic nails on its flippers. Its weight is 379 kilograms, and the rear of the body is flat, rounded, horizontally paddled. These are huge, large, cylindrically shaped mammals. The manatee's upper lip is modified into a large, bristly surface which can move each side of the lips independently while feeding. Manatees have nostrils, not blowholes, which close when underwater to keep water out and open when above water to breathe. The manatees themselves feed on a variety of aquatic macrophytes like water lettuce, grasses, water lilies, water hyacinths, and palm fruits that fall into water. These herbivores consume imprecisely 8% of its body weight in food per day. During the July to August dry season, when water levels begin to fall, their large fat reserves and low metabolic rates allow them to survive for up to 7 months with little or no food. In 1977, the manatee population was estimated at 10,000, due to hunting by human beings, which is very low because meat, blubber, skin, and other materials can be collected from the manatee. The Amazonian manatee is completely aquatic and never leaves the water. They are mainly solitary, but sometimes they will gather in small groups of 8 individuals. Glass frog. Glass frogs have translucent bellies and chests, in which the viscera are visible, and the heart pumps blood into the arteries, and food moving through the gut will allow you to see their internal organs. The sides and the back of the glass frog can be camouflaged with the brightness or darkness of its surroundings. Mostly, glass frogs have light green color and have an eccentricity of climbing from one tree to another, which allows them to live in the trees and shrubs. They are relegated to 160 species. Glass frogs transpire from tropical lowland forests to mid-elevation mountain forests. Most species are small, and their adults have 20 to 30 millimeters length. In a few species, adults are larger and attain 80 millimeters of length. Giant river otter. Giant river otter institute in the Amazon. They are the largest otters, up to 5.6 feet. These otters swim through the Amazonian rivers and lakes with their strong tails and webbed feet. They have 22 perceptible sounds. Giant river otters are South American carnivorous mammals. They are very sociable and live in families of 3 to 10 individuals that also hunt together. The giant river otter is a great swimmer and only lives in 3 river systems: the Amazon, Orinoco, and La Plata. Otters eat mostly fish and crustaceans, small caimans, and small anacondas. They consume about 6 to 9 pounds of food a day. Giant river otters live in dens by burrowing into riverbanks or under fallen logs, and they always mark their specific areas, which may span up to 12 kilometers. Red howler monkey. The Colombian red howler monkey is found in the western Amazon basin in Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Brazil. They're the biggest of the howler monkeys and have thick brownish to dark red fur with gold or bright orange underparts. The naked dark face is surrounded by fur. They have a stubby nose and their wide jaws covered in a thick beard. It has a swollen throat because of the U-shaped bone in the mouth at the base of the tongue. Red howlers form groups of between 1 to 3 males with 2 to 7 females and different numbers of calves. They are very active during the morning and dislike rain, and therefore howl when it is raining. Red howler monkeys eat flowers, leaves, and fruit. They favor young, tender leaves, which are easy to digest and have more proteins and sugar. Sloth. Sloths are very lazy in their movements. These 2-toed or 3-toed sloths can be found in the Amazon. They are very common and are one of the Amazon rainforest's most common large mammals. Sloths spend most of their time hanging horizontally on the trees and take up to a minute to climb 2 meters. Their long arms and 10 centimeters long claws help them move through branches. Sloths have long legs, stumpy tails, and rounded heads with ostentatious ears. They have coarse, shaggy fur covering almost everywhere aside from their face. They have the ability to distinguish among colors. Their eyesight and hearing are not very dire and feel by touch. Sloths have large stomachs and an ability to tolerate strong chemicals from the verdure they eat. The leafy nutrient is digested slowly, and a fermented meal may take a week to process. The sloth sleeps between 15 and 18 hours each day. They are adroit swimmers, but cannot walk on the ground. Sloths travel less than 1 mile in 4 hours through the trees. Puma. Pumas are found in North America, Central America, and South America. It has disparate names like panther, mountain lion, and cougar. Pumas are around 2.5 meters in length and weigh around 62 kilograms. They also have 25 to 37 inches long tails, heads are round, and the ears are vertical. They have powerful necks and jaws which can help grasp and hold prey. Pumas are strong and fast predators with long bodies and powerful short legs. The hind limbs are larger and stronger than the forelimbs. They're able to leap 18 feet high into the air and as far as 40 to 45 feet horizontally. They can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour to catch their prey. It prefers reclusiveness and communicates through growls, chirps, and whistles. Being a carnivore, it devours hoofed animals such as deer, elk, cows, and sheep. They can survive on 1 deer over a period of 2 weeks. Puma can see in the dark, so it encourages them to hunt in the dark. Amazonian tapir. The Amazonian tapir is found in South America, from North Colombia to northern Argentina and southern Brazil on the eastern side of the Andes Mountains. They are one of the largest mammals found in South America. It weighs between 350 to 600 pounds. Adult tapirs have stout bodies. Atypical in appearance, tapirs have thick necks, stumpy tails, and large ears. Short trunks used for lifting food into their mouths. Their color is dark brown and they have a fringe of hair on the back of their necks. Tapirs have a sharp sense of smell and hearing. Tapirs are herbivores and like to eat vegetables and fruits. Tapirs are quite defenseless and are considered a highly vulnerable species. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons before leaving and ring the bell icon to stay tuned by our next videos. See you another time.